Hello and welcome everyone. Steve here with TradeForexForProfit.com. Today is Friday, March 5th, 2021. We're looking at the Swiss yen on the 4-hour time frame. This was a trade from 2 days ago. Right here, the stop hit that takes out all of this support range. I got in on a buy. I went to T2, which is right here, just above this area of overhead resistance. Okay, and as you can see, it spiked through, came just short of my 2 times profit. However, that is the rule to go to T2 with this particular trade. So we are now falling back down into the zone. Immediately, we're seeing the push into this box right here, and the immediate rejection on the close of this candle. And as we continue on this candle that's forming right now. Okay, so I think we're going to see. Let me zoom out. I think we're going to see this market, this whipsaw, continue to the upside. Let me zoom out and kind of show you what I'm talking about. This is a really solid level of support where we move through the level. Well, it was touched here. Okay, we move through it and then we bounce, 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 bounce again here, and then this is where we had that whipsaw through with the stop hit candle that formed, moving up. Now we're just seeing the whipsaw pull back down, retest this area, and hopefully that's what continues the market, perhaps all the way to the upside from here. But again, who knows? Who cares? All I care is that we make it to here before we make it to here. Okay, that is the goal. All right. Yeah, I see. If you look at this like this, right? Okay. Yeah, we just broke out of this downtrend. We came back to the level, and now we're testing it, right? So if you want to look at it like that, that's one way. But I personally, I look at the horizontal, which makes it's much clearer, and it just makes more sense to go, oh wow, look at this area right here, pretty solid. We just reached below it, an actual signal formed. I'm into T2 with that one. Okay, so we'll watch this going into the next week. I don't think we're about 4 hours from the market close today. I don't think we're going to see anything erratic after we saw this whipsaw happen already. I just don't think we're going to see it push in the last couple hours of the trading day, or the trading week rather. But I think as the market moves into next week, I think we're going to see maybe this type of an action push us through. Okay, welcome back everyone. It's now Tuesday, March 9th, and our 2 times profit target was reached on this candle that's forming right now as we speak. A couple of things I want to point out. First of all, that was about 3 trading days. All right. Secondly, is the highs and lows. Okay, let me start by saying this. Right now I'm looking for a sell. I'm looking for some type of this to be a bearish spike candle, or maybe this next candle to have a bearish engulf. Like that of this white candle. Okay, we took out the high, and now let me back up and talk about this. As the market moves and we get these bounce highs and lows, notice that in this case the low is breached before moving back into the highs, where the high is breached before moving back down. The low right here is breached. We get a move here, really breached here, again here, then we move back up to the new high, which is taken out. We get the bounce. Okay, that bounce is taken out. We're now back up here above this high, and this high is taken out. So the logical course of action is for the market to go back down this way. All right, and if we sell here, okay, on a bearish engulf or a bearish spike, we will be probably targeting by default above this area here. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Based on the size of the signal, let's assume that it's something like this. Yeah, that our 2 times profit target would be right here above this low anyway. So now, just because this is the way that the market moves, okay, what I just told you about the highs, the bounce highs and lows being taken out, right? Okay, nothing really tradable here or here or here or here or here. However, if we drop down to a lower time frame, let's go to the 1 hour. All of a sudden, this becomes possible signals, right? Here's the high. There, it's taken out right there with the engulf. We move back down to the low. There's the bullish engulf. All right. This bounce right here is taken out right here with this bullish spike. All right. We move back up. There's a well, that's not really a signal, but but this one is right here. Here's the bounce low, we move back below, there's an engulfing, we move back to the high, there's a spike. Okay, so it's all in reference to the and like right now, this high has been taken out, and there's the bearish engulf that I'm talking about, that I'm watching for on the higher time frame. Notice it's already formed on the lower time frame. Okay, that's why this method works with all time frames, because everything is in context to the time frame that you're looking at. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Send me an email. I have my email address right there on the sign up page, I believe, or on the contact us page on our site. Come over, check us out, tradeforexforprofit.com, and hopefully we'll see you on the inside soon. Have a great week.